What's up, guys? It's a beautiful day in Florida, 81 degrees. We are going to head out and do some recording. Let's get an exhaust clip video and some content for you guys to watch. Let's go get some gas. We're low. Here we go, here we go. Beautiful color Mustang. Alright guys, so we are almost there. I didn't want to just go out on the road and rip it. I found this, what we're gonna call it. It's where they were gonna build a neighborhood, but it's abandoned. Like they never did it. See where I live a few years ago, a bunch of property areas, it never got finished. And so as the market crashed back then, these places got paved and set up for houses to build, but no houses ever got built. So I found this place right by my house that is gonna be absolutely amazing for doing some videos like this, you know, getting out, getting some exhaust clips, maybe some burnouts. You know, I don't think anybody's gonna bother us. There is some traffic that comes back there, but I think they're just checking lots out. But my wife and kids are over there. We brought the kids' bikes. I'm gonna do a video, a mods walkthrough video, an exhaust video for you guys. But here, check this place out. All right, and we're back, guys, and I'm now on my this is my Canon 80D. Sorry, I was gonna say D80. It's not D80. This is my Canon 80D. So we're doing 1080p at 60 frames per second. Microphone. I have my Rode mic on. I just put it on. I got my little tripod here that I'm gonna use to hold the camera as well as set it up so we can get some nice little exhaust clips here. as I do that, it puts a smile on my face every time. All right, that'll give us a good idea between this camera and the GoPro, right? So pretty nice. She rips, guys. Now, as we're going to attach the microphone to the back of the car here, we're going to put the camera in the car. I'm going to mount it up, and we're going to give you guys outside sound while in the car, because you guys have heard it in the car. It doesn't sound the same in the car. Oh yeah, we need to do coming up on. So let's walk you guys down here. All right, let's try it like this angle. Let's see what it sounds like. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Pretty awesome, guys. I hope it sounds good in this video. I can't wait to listen to it. Alright guys, so that's the end of the exhaust video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. For those of you guys that have been waiting for this, sorry it took so long. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead, ask. Hit me up on Instagram at Hyperhawk Camaro. I'm also on Facebook in the Gen 6 V6 Camaro group, and you guys can hit me up here. I'm starting to get more and more messages, so I apologize if I don't get right to you right away, but I try to answer and talk to everybody. I like to be informative. So comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. You guys have any content you want me to do? Anything you'd like, post it up. I will try to show you guys what you want to see. Right now I'm just guessing, I'm getting into it. I don't have a lot of subscribers, but for those subscribers that I have, I want you guys to have some good content. Alright? Once again guys, thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. We're going to attach the mic now. Maybe I need to turn the camera the other way. Nah, you know, we're just going to attach the mic. We're going to put the camera in the car. We're going to mount it up, and we're going to record it like that. We'll see what it sounds like. Alright.